and welcome to Too-Da-Loo, y'all. We are here at the beautiful Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. We are staying here on a quick staycation for our second wedding anniversary. So we said, hey, let's go to the Fontainebleau. It just opened up 4 days ago. So we're very excited to be here within the first week. And let's just experience the hotel together. Yay! Got our room keys. 3227.
The hotel tower is a whopping 68 stories high, standing tall at a mind-blowing 737 feet. It's been rocking the crown as Nevada's tallest building since 2008, and now, 16 years later, it's finally open. Everything felt very classy and sophisticated with a nice mix of modern technology. Our room was on the 32nd floor and called the Gold King Room with Best Strip View. So, of course, the first thing we had to check out was the view. When we booked this room, we also signed up for the Rewards membership program and shaved 30% off the price. The total for one night in this room came out to $277.21, including resort fees, which was not bad at all. We loved this room. It was really nicely decorated with warm lights and classy colors and a super comfortable bed.
Here we have your standard fridge for the hotel room with some booze and some mixers for your cocktails. And on the other side, we have another little fridge system with some water. You can put your own things in there, which is actually really nice. And then right above it, you have some glassware and things that you would need to be able to either make your drink or just drink your water.
Everything felt very spacious, and the bathroom is really big with a dimmable vanity light, so you'll nail that makeup every time. Girls, I'm talking to you. The shower is huge with a standard wall-mounted shower head and a waterfall shower head, that rainfall shower head thing. And of course, you've got a toilet. Hello. The entire room is controlled via these smart panels, which you also have next to your bed. Really convenient.
So our corner light was not working, and I called down to the front desk to see if it was something that I was doing wrong. They sent up somebody within 15-20 minutes, and now we have our light in the corner, and it's beautiful, and they're going to get it fixed for the next guest. So, by the way, if you ever do have something like with the room and you don't let them know, they can't fix it, and they won't know until you let them know. So do that sometimes. It's really good. And now we have a beautiful light in the corner. Okay, we are right here in front of the Promenade, which is basically the elevated food court. So let's check out the restaurants. Let's see what they have. Let's get a quick bite. Okay, so we got a quick bite at Roadside Taco, and Deo got a burrito with chicken. I just got a little al pastor taco, 2 sodas with tip is $40, and yep, 41 bucks. So I just wanted something small so we could have an actual dinner later. And this is what my husband got. I'm really happy with the glass bottle. Okay, so we are on level 2 where the promenade is for all the like little food court area. There's also the Bleaulive Theater right next to it. People are walking into the Bleaulive Theater. Maybe we can walk in and see if we see anything. I can now say that I was at the Justin Timberlake grand opening concert because I have a blue bow tie confetti thing. I'm actually gonna just kind of mosey on around as other people are doing. I'm becoming that person. Cool. This is the same theater that Justin Timberlake performed in on the opening night. And it's an intimate space, but it's very large. Well, Post Malone's going to be here for December 30th and 31st for the New Year's Eve concert. Breaking the theater in. It's a beautiful theater. I love that it's a theater. It's very elegant. So this beautiful chandelier here has little bow ties on the bottom of each crystal. The attention to detail is really extraordinary. All the way to the carpet, you have bow ties. It's just everywhere that you look, there are subtle details that just let you know where you're at. All of the dealers are wearing bow ties. The pit bosses are dressed in really nice tuxedos with bow ties. It's very, very classy, very well done. One of a kind.
Well, I'm happy because I got my rewards card, so now I can gamble like there's no tomorrow.
So Deo got his rewards card, and basically you start at blue and you work your way up to silver, gold, and royal. And you can use your rewards card for any restaurant, obviously gambling, and hotel operated and owned stores. Not like Gucci, where it's a third-party kind of leased space. And to mention, $1 is approximately 5 points. So it's now 9 p.m. We're pretty hungry at this point, and I think it's basically time that we should eat before it gets any later. And looking around at the different options and the different restaurants, I think we're just going to check out the Tavern. It's kind of one of the more affordable places to eat. Not too fancy. I don't need an elaborate dinner that's going to cost $500 for just the two of us. So let's go to the Tavern. It's connected with the Sportsbook, so it's really, really nice in there. Let's check it out. All right, so I ordered some shrimp cocktail, a chicken salad of some kind, and Deo ordered short rib. Okay, we love our waitress, so it's not a thing about her, but we got our shrimp before our drinks. And you know what it is? It's the bartender. That's what it is. She's waiting on the bartender. I know that's what it is. We just drink mocktails, and we're not drunk, so hope you're enjoying the video. So we're actually celebrating our second wedding anniversary, and we mentioned that to the waitress because we were here on a staycation and enjoying our night together. And then she brought us a dessert on the house, and she gave us some options, and this was the hot fudge sundae. So we said, that sounds delicious. Let's have that. So it has a little bit of caramel, some hot fudge, vanilla ice cream, and I think some pecans that are crushed up. I love it.
After a good night's sleep and with a click of a button, we woke up to this beautiful view. One of our absolute favorite things about this whole stay was the huge in-room dining menu, which you can order from any room, by the way. Unlike other casinos, where you may have to be on a specific floor to order a certain menu, or some casinos don't even offer in-room dining at all. So we picked up the phone, placed our order, and 30 minutes later, breakfast was served.
My husband says I look great, so here I am. Good morning. We have our breakfast in bed from our in-room dining service. I got the traditional American breakfast, 3 eggs, prepared how you want, choice of bacon, pork sausage, chicken sausage, and a breakfast potato. Choice of toast, I got wheat toast. Deo got the continental breakfast, which is plain or vanilla bean Greek yogurt, house-made granola, seasonal mixed berries, and a choice of a breakfast pastry. It comes with a choice of fresh juice, which we ordered fresh orange juice, and it says it was freshly squeezed, and coffee or tea. So we have coffee and juice.
This was a really good breakfast and so worth it. And of course, having a view like this possibly made it even better. So let's summarize this stay. A lot of things are still not 100%. One entrance was not working. The pool is not open, and the day club is still a construction site. Vita, we were told, was supposed to be open 24 hours, but it actually closed at 6 p.m. And some restaurants are still not open at all. Fontainebleau has a great food selection, but the prices in many of these restaurants are very high, so be prepared to spend at least $200 per person. Our mocktails were out of half of the ingredients on the menu. They ran out of shoestring fries. Our lamp did not have a long enough cord. And our bathroom door couldn't be fully closed because the door was actually crooked. The QR codes in the Promenade food court didn't work the way they were supposed to, and neither did the rewards. So we had to bring our food receipts to the rewards desk and have them manually insert the points to our card. Every time. But our room was absolutely wonderful and we loved it. The slippers were awesome and you get to keep them. And the robes, they were absolutely amazing.
Okay, we have finished our staycation here at the Fontainebleau Las Vegas, and it was a really, really nice stay. Of course, it's a brand new property. There are going to be some kinks that are going to get worked out and ironed out for the next coming weeks and months, but don't hold that against the property. It's luxurious. It is sophisticated. The attention to detail is magnificent. Come check out the Fontainebleau Las Vegas here on the north end of the Strip. Thank you for watching. Toodaloo, y'all.